What's up, people of the internet? And today is Obby Day. And we're literally just going to be playing TOH for 15 minutes. Like, yeah. Okay. But I heard there was a new update, and that's why I'm going to do TOH, but nothing looks different. Literally nothing. So, like, there's nothing in the shop. I've looked through it. Nothing. Except for Hook and Hourglass. Oh, okay. So, Hook and Hourglass are the two things. Alright, that's cool. I guess. Except they cost Robux. And, well, let's just say Robux. Wait, hold on. I haven't actually got past that. Okay. Everybody says this level's so hard. But, like, I think... Oh, okay. Well, yes, I've died, like, 80 million times, but I'm not really trying. But here, let me try. Everybody says that the levels are, like, always so... Or this level is always so hard. But I actually think that is pretty easy. Look. Don't look at that. Look at something else. Hold on. I got you. Okay, well, that was just noob. I'm done in obby since last obby day. Oh, wait, I don't know. I'm there. Okay, now look. Jump onto this, wait for it to come back. Yep. No, I'm supposed to jump off of it. I didn't. Okay, maybe it's a little harder than the. Just pretend like you didn't see that. Okay. Wow, I'm almost level 12. Jumpy dump. What the lump? Jumpy jump. Bump. Dun. This is weird. Okay. Bacon. There's a lot of bacon in this server. That's racist. As my bacon friend would say. It's not really racist, is it? I mean, like, I'm not criticizing people for being bacons. I'm just saying bacon. Alright, let's get to the top. Let's get to the top, chief. Alright, this level I actually found like a good hack for it. Like right over there. I did the hack. It's sick. Do. Just hopping into like 80 million different servers. Orange Tentacles is premium. I don't think he deserves to be premium. He's just Orange Tentacles. I was curious, and I looked at the name on Roblox, Hello, and he like joined in like 2007, something like that. Look. Hello. Oh, wait, no. Hello. Wait, hold on. There's no one named Hello. Just Hello. Wait a minute. No, I found someone earlier. Wait, there's no way. Sign up. Birthday. Sure, that works. Yeah, there we go. I'm an elder. There, accept. Wait, but how come I couldn't find... How come I couldn't... What? Ooh, wait, I'm gonna use my alt. Bamboo. Actually, no, I'm just gonna use this alt. Sunny boy. 0607. Alt. Password. I'll skip that. Okay, so guys, I'm all logged in. Yeah, I'm on my alt. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Yeah. I was playing random games today, so. People probably think that I'm a noob. I have two alts. Bamboo boy. Bamboo underscore. Wait, it's something like that. Yeah, now he, wait, why is his, chest so big? See this thing. I think we already wasted lots of time doing that. Let's get to the obby part. Ooh, I'm a legend. I'm a skinny legend. Oh, I hate this one. No, maybe. Noob. Noobs. What? It doesn't let you say that. You noob. Oh. How do I turn safe chat on? Is that possible? Or safe chat off? I shouldn't have named myself Sunny Boy Alt because now everybody knows that I'm on an alt. But hey. Oof. Wait, I'm gonna see what one of my friends are playing. Let's see. What's and I got to see who is online. What is this man playing? He is not playing anything. I'll befriend him. Add a friend. Add a friend. Add a friend. Okay, now I think I'm just gonna play this. Okay, wait. Like if you hate this level. Why am I so bad at it though? Like it's like easy, but it's not easy. It's just like. Wait, that's smart. You make your legs super thick, the rest of your body skinny. Yes. Again. Body style. Super duper thicky. Wait, no, I need to make myself short. Skinny. Or wait, no, short and thick. Okay, that's funny. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. So everybody knows I'm on an alt because it says it. But this is actually like a good body style for TOH, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's make it to the top. But it is, I mean, it's definitely weird not having my normal avatar. Especially the yawning face. It's like, it's just weird. Okay, good. That was so close. That was so close. Why am I so bad at this? God, oh God, why am I so bad at this? Whoa! Wait, I can just jump over that? Hold up, what? Okay, I don't know what just happened. Maybe it was some sort of glitch. I'm Sonic. I'm super speedy. Okay, now this stage, I think I've only passed it once. Wait, hold on. Can I skip to the third one? Like, all the way to the third one? No, that's not possible. Okay. Oh. Oofa gang. Not Gucci gang. Oofy gang. Oofer gang. Can I be a part of the Oofer gang? Isn't that a group on Roblox? I know Gucci gang's like a group. Well, actually, I've never seen it, but it has to be. There is someone who, like Gucci gang's dead, but. Gucci gang's as old as dirt when it comes to memers. Memers. I'm not a meme. Okay, I'm a noob going to pro, so YOLO. Yeah, I should be at the noob towers. Okay, you have speed here too, but this is actually helpful. Speed is helpful for this. Because, like... excuse me? It's illegal to be inside of another person? Okay. Hold the phone. Okay, sorry about my sister in the background. It's every day. Well, different server. Yeah, that sounds fun. Woohoo! Different server. Yay, cool. Alright. Okay. I hate when you have to go like all the way around like this. Like, just make it right. Whoa. Hold up. Did everything just get bigger for a second? Like, everything was just, like, smaller, but then it actually showed the hitboxes, and it was like, whoa. That's why, like, what you actually see is not the hitbox, okay? When you're doing obbies, the kill part, it might look like, this is not, like, where the light glows kind of was where the hitbox is. Just, like, it's not just the light. Like, the hitbox it's I don't know. I don't know anymore. What am I saying? Yay! Am I considered good now? Oh, it's another one of those spinny ones. I hate spinny ones. Spinny ones are too spinny. They make me dizzy and make me throw up. Okay, not really, but still. Whoa. Okay. Hi, Mother. No! That has to be impossible. Look me in the eyes and tell me that's not impossible. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Came to a conclusion. It's not impossible, but bye.